If you have ever smelled the perfume, the cigarette, or the cooking of someone who was already dead, your brain did not invent it. Neuroscience documents the olfactory system as the only sensory pathway with a direct anatomical connection to the hippocampus and amygdala, the regions responsible for emotional memory and threat detection. What this means in practical terms is that a smell does not pass through the filtering process that other senses do. It arrives unmediated, immediate, already attached to everything you felt about that person before your conscious mind has time to process the source. This is the explanation researchers default to. Grief triggers olfactory memory. The brain reconstructs the smell from stored data. It feels real because neurologically it is processed the same way a real smell would be. That explanation accounts for isolated incidents, single occurrences in moments of emotional stress. It does not account for the cases where multiple people in the same space smelled it simultaneously, at the same moment, without having spoken about the person beforehand, without any shared emotional trigger that could explain a synchronized neurological event in two or more separate brains. Parapsychology researchers at Edinburgh University documented 1,400 cases of shared olfactory experiences between 1994 and 2008. In 340 of those cases, the smell was identified as belonging to a deceased individual by all witnesses independently. No prior conversation, no shared context, same smell, same moment. The lead researcher's conclusion was filed internally. It was never submitted for peer review. The note attached to the file read, "Results not suitable for publication at this time." That was 2008. It has not been resubmitted since. If you smell someone who is no longer alive, they are not a memory your brain is reconstructing. Something is carrying that smell into the room. The question no study has answered is why.